Have a complex would probably cheer.
Probably.
Unbelievable. How long was it going off last night?
Oh, I don't know.
Stinking car alarm. Like an
Over
hour?
an hour,
Over an hour? Oh my god. It was awesome. It would let you fall back asleep.
I know.
And then start again.
Come here.
So cruel.
Torture.
So cruel. So here's my actual question. When do you think the last time a car alarm actually served its purpose was? Like it's going off because somebody's stealing a car.
Nobody pays attention.
And
Never.
all of a sudden they come to the rescue because the car alarm told them there's a car being stolen.
Because we called.
Right. So here's an interesting idea. What if we got rid of car alarms? What if we're just past that? Like, there's no reason for them anymore.
There isn't.
Cars still get stolen regardless of the fact that the alarm's going off.
Yeah. Well, like.
And if you're gonna steal a car, you probably know how to make it so that it doesn't go off. So again.
Right.
Or they go in and they, like you were gonna do, just disconnect the battery. And
Right? I mean, I was ready. I was going to break that window and then pop the hood and take the battery out.
Yeah.
That was my plan for 3 o'clock in the morning last night.
I would have left a nice.
I didn't
note
actually
on
do that, by the
door.
way. But what about second breakfast? We're gonna watch The Lion King.
Hakuna Matata. Because apparently.
We changed our mind. Move on instead.
He was so scary when I was little. With his yellow eyes.
Yummy brunch cooked by Davison. Thanks, bruh.
Right?
Love you, buddy. Good job. Kikis. See you next time. Look, we gotta get in the car now. It's like anywhere but the car. No. 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 Ah! Alright, so after an awesome weekend visit, we're on our way back to our house in Philly. And so we're working a little bit in the car, coming up with titles and stuff for the videos we're posting and having lots of fun there. So far the biggest challenge is figuring out how to spell bureaucracy. B-E-U, B-U-E,
B-U-R.
B-U-R.
E-A-U.
Sure. We were going to climb today, but the weather, I don't know if you can see, is rainy. That's not going to work out today, but don't worry, the rocks will stay up and we will get there another time. In the meanwhile, it was an awesome trip and keep you updated if anything interesting happens. $8 for one toll to get through Maryland. Sorry, Luke, you're not going to college. Well, that was a lot better than on the way down. Holy smokes, there was like no traffic whatsoever. Thank God. So we're home, and now we have to unload the car, but it's raining, so we probably won't unload much. Future Tony can deal with that. Time to relax and just have a good lazy Sunday.